What's the meaning of aslant? Aslant. Aslant.
Aslant. Aslant. The word aslant is an adverb that describes something that is at an angle or tilted to one side. It can also describe something that is not straight or level. For example, a tree might be growing aslant if it's leaning to one side, or a picture frame might be hanging aslant if it's not perfectly level on the wall. The term is often used in literary contexts to convey a sense of imbalance or instability. Overall, aslant is a descriptive word that helps to paint a more vivid picture of the world around us.